Hey, hey, it's me, Kimmy Boutiki. So you just let me talk this whole time with this white thing in my damn brow. You so rude. You got me out in these streets looking crazy. So I'm gonna do all of that all over again? Like, who got time for that? Here I go. Hey, hey, it's me, Kimmy Boutiki. Oh, and y'all let me talk with my earring hanging out of my ear. Now, how long has that been like that? You should be ashamed. I can't. Now I gotta do it one more time. Hey, hey, it's me, Kimmy Boutiki. Hey guys, I am Kimmy Boutiki. That is me. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for hitting that play button. And if you want to keep coming back and join the Kimmy Boutiki family, you're going to hit that red subscribe button and that little bell next to it so you are notified of every Boutiki uploaded first. You will be first at the gate. At the door. Who doesn't want to be first? I want to be first. You want to be first. So go ahead and hit that bell. So today I'm wearing this fabulous beat down face and I use all my new Urban Decay cosmetics. Yes, I went shopping and my next few videos will be of my purchases because I went a little crazy. So I bought some Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup, the cult classic Naked Skin Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and then I picked up the primer potion for the eyes. This is the original formula because it's been around the longest and it has the best reviews. Simple as that. I am good for picking up stuff way after it comes out. It's tried and true and most of you guys are liking it, and then I'll buy it. There are a few things that I have to buy as soon as it comes out, like my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Like I had to have that. Stay tuned for the demonstration of this face. I love you guys, mwah, and I hope you're feeling amazing wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. I ordered a few new products from Urban Decay. You can see the little UD right there. Ever since I did that video on high-end makeup and I realized I didn't own any, I splurged and I got myself a few products. I deserve it. I'm Kimmy Boutiki. I'm taking care of myself first. And I'm not trying to break the bank here, okay? But I always have my eye on a few things. My Sephora cart has been full for a while. I just never order it. You know, I like to do my window shopping. I try not to buy things I don't need. But I get in my moods where it's like, you know what, girl? It's okay. You can spend little coins on a few products that you've been eyeing. So go ahead and treat yourself. And that's what I did. Top rated items. That's the only thing that I really wanted. With that being said, I picked up their Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Light Diffusing Liquid Makeup. It had 5-star reviews basically, so like how bad can it be? So I picked it up in a 7.75. The bottle is super cute and it's like so shiny. I'm so excited. I love this little thing. I just started using it and I've had it for years. I'm tired of messing up my hand and then I forget that I have makeup on the back of my hand and I touch something on my clothes and now I'm stained. My neck here actually looks a little light. Holy, like how? Like I'm light already. Look at it. Like, how does this not match? Like how? I need to look this up. I'm highly upset. Like, why is this so light? Like, I hate returning stuff. Now I'm scared to look at the concealer swatches because they probably don't match me either. This is medium light warm and the Naked Skin concealer. This shit look like it's too light too. This under my eyes might be too much. Might be too much. This is about to be a disaster, guys. Okay? I'm trying to do a full face of this and this ain't gonna work. And then I got the peach corrector. Let's see how much peach this is. I should have just got the orange. It's like pink, not peach. Because I wanted to put it here. No. No. I'm just gonna use my Too Faced Hangover Replenish Primer. And I'm just gonna put that here, because I'm actually going to mix it with an illuminator. My Temp2 Shimmer Bronze, I got this in a BoxyCharm to mix these two together. This should work because the color shouldn't matter, right? It's just an eyeshadow primer, so it's going to be covered up, so it should be fine, right? I'm just going to set that with a little banana powder. See, I thought this would have a little bit more coverage. You already know. Okay? This is what I got. This is what I'm working with. So now let's work on the rest of the face. So we already primed, because you can see my skin looks a little bit luminous because of that shimmery bronzer I put on. I'm going to do half the face. Ah! Does it look like it matches? It does, right this second. It's definitely like watery, like water. Watery like water, like the. You know, I like to. My skin looks healthy as far as the moisture is concerned. I definitely feel like there's like a lightness, ashiness to it. I'm going to just take another couple of drops where I feel like I need extra coverage. I'm just gonna kind of press it in because I want the most coverage possible in this area. So, did that look like it did something? I actually like this foundation. It just feels really natural and just perfect. Like, I will put this on and not feel like I need to do a full face because it just literally like just evened out my skin tone. I can still see my freckles. My beautiful freckles. I know you guys. You come here just for the freckles, don't you? I know. So this is the medium light Urban Decay Naked Skin. I have not dipped back into the bottle. This is just what's on that one dip. Okay. Just a little bit extra here. Look at that. There's like plenty of... You can do your whole face with that one dip, girl. Just one dip. I never use this liquid bronzer for a bronzer. Let me just see if it leaves any type of pigmentation. Yeah, this was too light for me. That's why I really don't use it. That blended out really beautifully. FX setting powder, putting a little bit of the banana in there together, and just let that baby swirl up together. Let it swirl up, and you make a new powder. See, I don't want to be too powdery, so I'm going to take my Sigma tapered highlighter brush, the what is this, 35, and I'm just going to just set it like this instead of like pressing it in with the, what is that, the beauty blender. So I usually do eyes, face, lips. Does that include the bronzing, the highlighting, and everything? Should I just do it the way I always do it? Let me just stick to what I know. This is my Soft Focused Black Radiance Powder in the color Jaclyn. And just bronze up. Kind of like in a C shape like that. It's just how I do it. Okay, I'll tell you. I love it a lot. If I want to be extra snatched, I take my new crown brush. This one is a cooler color. Yeah, and I'll just like, just right there. You see that make a difference? Kind of snatched my cheeks a little bit right there. Yes, it did. It did. Don't let on it. Okay. And I like this small brush because it kind of just gives you that snatch-roo. Oh, by the way, that was the Black Radiance Complexion Contour Palette. I went in with the second color, and this is the light to medium. Do blush. Blush. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Contour Blush. So I take a little face tapered brush. Okay. Just smile and then work it back like that. Just a little extra on the apples because that's like my favorite part of my little round pie face. Are these cheeks? My daughter does this thing where she's like, kiss my cheek, and she does like this. And she like isolates the apple of her cheek and lets me kiss it. It's like the cutest thing. And then I just kiss it right there. Oh, my daughter. highlight time. I've been loving. Let me pull it out. So this is the new release, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy collaboration highlighter. You like that. You like that, right? You my people. Everything is all right once you highlight. It's about to bring tear to my eye. It's so good. So good. Oh, yes. This feels like very sensual. Is it just me? Go in with the wax. This is Nude by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I'm going to go back to the old faithful. You know, old faithful. She always come through for us and stuff. This is Shell by Mary Kay. And then I'm going to go over it with my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I'm mad I'm using this because I'm not going nowhere. Let's get this luminous spray going. It tastes like chemical. So I know y'all guys saw me bronze my face and you didn't say nothing about doing the rest of my face. You got me out here half bronze. Like, where they do that at? You know I didn't bronze my forehead. And you know I got a 5, 6, 7 head. Now I'm in here doing the most. Now I'm just upset. Now I need more highlighter. Because I got to bring my mood back up. There's a little bit over here. A little bit over here. A little bit down here. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope I'm serving you nothing but beat face. Toodles. Toodaloo. Toodles, toodaloo. I just always forget to wash my goddamn hands. Why? Snitch, snitch. Anyway, oh, it's so good. I did a pink with a gold reflex. So what blush do I use? I'm just having a day. I'm just having a moment. Must be feeling good. I must have slept good last night. I have a lot of energy. And if you want to join me again, just go ahead and watch the next video. I'll leave a couple of videos here for you to watch. You can stay with me just a little longer if you enjoyed this one. I will see you, hopefully, in the next video right now because you're about to watch one of these videos. And if not, you'll see in the next fresh upload because you hit the bell, right? So you will see that next new video as soon as it's posted, okay? I love you guys. Mwah.